Morning, Mani sir.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning. Happy morning. I'm just trying to switch on the audio. Yes. How are you? Are you all happy? Or are you all looking for happiness? Or are you all trying to be happy? Or do you want to learn how to be happy?
We are practicing to be happy, sir.
Hmm?
Happy, sir.
Yes, happy. I can feel that happiness. Good to see Gokul sir back. So, friends, the reason why we asked the question, the beautiful, the topmost lie in the world. Everyone say, I am happy, I'm doing well when everyone asks, how are you? This is a research, this is a proven concept. And there is another survey which have been done across the world. They did a survey on happiness and they publish it as World Happiness Index. Out of 149 countries, India placed in 139th country. Then decide, are we really happy? All the neighborhood countries, being it Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Tibet, Nepal, including Pakistan. Yes, they are happier than us. Then see what is the level of our happiness, where we are standing. That leads us to work on this happiness dose. When I did a research actually a couple of years back during the pandemic, so only all my researchers, so I published the papers also. I think it's there in my profile also. And I published the papers, especially I did a lot of papers related to various aspects, including education and volunteering. Out of that, psychology. So happiness is one among them. So when I did it, I found these interesting facts and all. So I'm telling it a couple of years back. Then I found, okay, we should do something. And we should teach a simple and powerful concepts where anyone can be happy. So that is how it came. So see, a couple of years back, I did a research paper and I didn't started this dose because I wanted to observe actually how it works. I wanted to see whether my sessions will work out or not. So that is how I take any things. It's not like that one day it's like we can dream it off and start it immediately. So we take each and every activity minutely. We will see and observe whether it is working or not and whether it can be done by anyone or not. That's how I feel. If I can done, anyone can do. If someone can done, anyone can be done. Anything can be done. So that's what I believe in. That's what even Gestalt therapy also says. So believing, if someone can do anything, definitely anyone can do anything. So don't bother. So can I do it? Is it possible? Nothing is impossible. So let's get into some scientific background. So biological things about the happiness and the reason why we name it as a happiness dose. So the dose is an acronym which we used for the happiness chemicals. So usually we say dose. So take 1 dose, 2 doses, even the vaccine, the COVID pandemic, corona vaccine, we take first dose, second dose, right? Like that. If you want to be happy, we need to take this happiness dose. So to get the happiness, we require these 4 happiness chemicals. So the 4 happiness chemicals start with the first letters of this dose. The first one is dopamine. The dopamine is also known as the reward chemical. Yes. Whenever you complete a task, whatever the task it might be, even now we are hearing happiness dose and we are completing this class in 30 minutes. When you complete it, the dopamine will rise and you will be happy. Being a self-care activities, as I always used to say, you need to give 6 hours of your time for sleep and 6 hours of your time for yourself. Yourself in the sense eating, doing your work and whatever the things you'd like to do. 6 hours mandately you need to do it for yourself. 6 hours for work, 6 hours for your other things. So, coming to eating food. When I say eating food, don't eat the food which is there or which is for the namesake. Eat the food which you like it. Then you'd be more happy. And celebrate each and every win. Yes, accomplish it. I prepared a food. I prepared something. I completed this task. So these are all will improve yourself, improve the happiness in you. And the second one, oxytocin. This is also known as love hormone. Yes. If you want to get love, you should learn how to give love. That is the reason why. Have a pet in your home. Play with your pet. Play with a baby. Hold the hands of your family members with a complete passion, not just like holding a hand and saying, I didn't feel anything. You should have that thought feeling. Then only your action will get a result. And hug your family member. Give a compliment. Hey, wow, super, fantastic. Learn these positive words. You should learn the positive languages. Remember, if you want to be a positive person, you should learn the positive language. This is what we say, positive language. Learn all the positive words. Wow, great. No, don't say it for the namesake. You should have with that thing. You say wow, not just hey wow. You say with a passion. Wow, you great. You did great thing. That the word should come from the bottom of the heart. They should feel, hey, yes, they're appraising us. Okay? So the third thing is serotonin, mood stabilizer. There is a myth that only female or woman has a lot of mood swings. That's still a myth. Men has much more mood swings. They never showcase. They never show it up. They just showcase. So everyone has the mood swings. To overcome this mood swing, we need to do some meditation. We can walk, we can run, we can cycle, we can swim. When I say walk, you need to walk with a barefoot in beach. It's one of the beautiful therapeutic approach that will activate your whole body, kind of an acupressure therapy. If you don't have a beach, don't worry. Go to a park. In park, enjoy the beautiful trees, sceneries, fresh air. Otherwise, go to a fields, farming fields. Everywhere, go with the barefoot. Otherwise, go and walk in a road where you can see roadside trees and feel that fresh air. And exposure to the sun during either a sunrise or a sunset, not during the afternoon to get the sunstroke. Okay? So these are all the beautiful exercises which will make you so happy. And finally, the end of it. The world's most consumed drug is the painkiller. Remember, if you practice these simple, powerful techniques, it doesn't require painkiller at all in your life. The first one is the most powerful. The energetic exercise is a laughter therapy. The laughter exercise. If you do it every day, nothing. It's kind of a king of the exercises. It will make you happy like anything. And the essential oils. So if you are every day we consume in food, definitely we consume a lot of oils. And try to have groundnut oil. This is one of the healthy oil. So if you don't have a groundnut oil, then go for a sunflower oil rather than other oils. Okay. So watch a comedy show like Tom and Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, and Siri Siri. There are many Aditya channels. There are many channels which will help you to get lot of TV programs. And if you get a original dark chocolate, have it. Dark chocolate actually makes you so happy and improves your brain power. And do some exercises which makes you happy. Don't do for the sake of physical health or mental health. Do it. If you are happy, do anything you like it. No need to name it as exercise also. Okay? So, we are done with the theory part. Are you all ready for the beautiful exercises? Shall we?
Ready, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Sit in a comfortable position. Release all your devices. Don't take your devices. Release. Keep it away. Listen to only my voice. Close your eyes. You are listening to only my voice. You are hearing the beautiful classical music. You are not getting anything else into your mind. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of yesterday. What you did. What are all the activities you did? From the morning till the night. Think of each and everything you accomplished. Okay? Pick one happy moment out of that whole 24 hours, whatever you did it. One happy moment. During that happy moment, recollect how your happy smile was there, how your happy face was there. Recollect how your face was there, how your facial expressions, how your smile. Now, take your hand on the air, take your hand on the air, and start drawing that smiley in air. Air. Start drawing it. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Start drawing your smiley on the air. In the air. Okay? Now slowly open your eyes, start blinking your eyes and open your eyes. You can see a blank white screen in front of you. So whatever the beautiful smiley you draw on the air now, you just touch the screen where you can get a pen or a pencil on the left bottom. Select it, select the color. You can select the width of the pen also. Draw that same beautiful smiley face. If someone is war writing on you, you can erase it so that don't try draw it on another one's drawings. You can be patient. Don't be in a hurry. Slowly you can do it. Yes. Good. I see Chandrasekharan sir, Nandakumar sir, Gomati ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Lakshmi Narayanan sir, Gokul, Dhanalakshmi ma'am, Veerapandian sir. Yes. Fantastic. Superb. Good. Good. Superb. That's awesome. What a beautiful smile. This represents how happy you were yesterday. That's fantastic. Those who are finished, they can raise their hand. So you can see a raising hand in a reactions option. Those who have finished, they can raise their hands. So those who are finished, they can leave their device and sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Close your eyes, take a long and deep breath, inhale. Take a long and deep breath, inhale. Now, think of one happiest task, whatever you want to accomplish today, whatever you want to do it today, which will make you so happy. Think of that one task. You want to do this task, which will make you so happy. Yes, I wanted to do this task. To do that task, what are all the things required? And to finish that task, who are all the members you support you require? And when you finish the task, how you feel? What your mind says, what your thoughts says, and how you visualize that happiness. What are all the sounds, what are all the compliments that you want to hear when you finish that happy moment of the day? What are all the sensory items you would like to feel, like the smell, like the touch? What are all the things that you want to have to be happy to finish this task? Think of those aspects. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Now, think of that happy moment. So while doing that happy moment, how you want to have that happy moment? Take your hand in the air. Take your hand in the air and draw a beautiful drawing in the air, which represents your happy moment. Draw a beautiful moment, the happiest moment in the air. Draw it. See how that happy and beautiful moment is there in the air. In the air, I'm not yet said in the screen. Still, I ask you people to close your eyes, not to open it and do it on the screen. Okay? In the air, you draw it in the air. Drawing in the air is one of the beautiful and therapeutic approach. Now, slowly exhale. Start blinking your eyes and look at your screen. Look at the screen where you can see some names. So you are going to draw a beautiful drawing which represents your happiest moment. Okay, whatever the happiest moment you want to represent. So select your box alone, don't draw it on another one's box. Okay, so don't cross the limits. Be in your own box. That is what our limits. You can zoom it so that you will get your box alone. So you no need to go in another one's box. You can start drawing. Veerapandian sir, Dhanalakshmi ma'am, Chandrasekharan sir. You can start drawing. Since the childhood, we are so happy. We've been trying to be happy when we see a green color tick mark. See, there is a tick mark on the top of your name. I'm making you so happy. I'm trying to make you so happy that all your drawings are right.
சார் என்னோட பாக்ஸுக்குள்ள வேற யாரு போட்டாங்க சார்?
என்னமா?
என்னோட பாக்ஸுக்குள்ள வேற யாரு போடுறாங்க?
உங்க பாக்ஸ்ல வீரபாண்டியன் சார் உங்க பாக்ஸ்க்குள்ள போங்க. ரைட் சைடு கடைசி பாக்ஸ் தான் உங்களது.
டெலீட் பண்ண முடியுமா சார்?
சார் என்னோட பாக்ஸ் நேம் தெரியல, அதான் சாரி நேம் தெரியல.
நேம் இருக்கு பாருங்க. நீங்க போடாம இருந்தீங்கன்னா மத்தவங்க போட்டுருவாங்க மேம். அப்படிதான்.
சார் பாதி பாதி மேல வரல, கொஞ்சம் இடத்துல வந்துருந்துச்சு.
அவ்வளவுதான் சார், உங்களோட டிராயிங் வந்துச்சு. வீரபாண்டியன் சார், உங்க டிராயிங் இப்போ உங்க பாக்ஸ்ல இருக்கு பாருங்க.
Thank you, sir.
Super. So, I am sharing my love and care to all your beautiful smile drawings. Happiest moments. These are not just drawings. These are your happy moments of the day. So see, there is a beautiful love. My heart is in front of your names. I'm loving each and every one of your drawings. And I'm going to give you a golden star. You are the star performer of this day. Your beautiful artistic skills are awesome. You can see a golden star next to your name. Remember, you are the best and you are the greatest person in the world. Yes. See, you did
Very much.
3 accomplishments. Sorry, ma'am?
அது மேல வர மாட்டேங்குது, கீழே அந்த டார்க் இருக்கு சார், ஐஸ் கலர் மேல வர மாட்டேங்குது.
பாருங்க பாருங்க. So those who are finished, they can raise their hand. தனலட்சுமி மேம் இன்னும் ஆரம்பிக்கவே இல்ல. நீங்க யாரோ செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, வெளியே போயிட்டு திரும்பி வேற இது செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பென் செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க யாரோ செலக்ட் பண்ண கூடாது.
ஓகே சார்.
டிராயிங் டூல் தான் செலக்ட் பண்ணணும் நீங்க. வந்துச்சா? Dhanalakshmi ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. Superb. Good, good, good. Go ahead. Good, good, good. See how beautiful a white color blank screen become a beautiful canvas with all these creative, happy moments of the day. How beautiful it is. How beautiful to start a day with such kind of a colorful and beautiful, happy and lively moments. How fantastic it is. You are all awesome. I'm so proud to see all your drawings. I can feel your happiness. All these beautiful drawings. These are like your own patent content. No one has the rights. This is your own moment. This is your own happy moment of the day. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's fantastic, lovely, beautiful drawings. Daily I'm becoming so happy to look at such kind of a beautiful and happy moments of each and everyone. Listening to your positive action items, seeing at your beautiful smileys. This is making me so happy. I'm not sure how you people are enjoying or not. I'm so happy after finishing off this dose. So that is making me so happy. It's making me so powerful with that happiness. Agree? Or anyone have any other thoughts?
Agreed, sir.
Super, super. Thank you, thank you. So shall we start? Shall we start the interpretation of the drawings?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can start.
Yeah,
Sir.
let me stop. Gomati ma'am, start pannilama.
Okay, sir.
Superb, superb. So now you have 9 beautiful happy moments. These are not just a drawings. The happy moments of all the 9 people. So, first, action number 1. Observe the drawings. Gokul, observe the Yamini's drawing. Yamini, observe Gomati ma'am's drawing. Gomati ma'am, observe Lakshmi Narayanan sir drawing. Lakshmi Narayanan sir, observe Chandrasekharan sir drawing. Chandrasekharan sir, observe Nandakumar sir drawing. Nandakumar sir, observe Vijayalakshmi ma'am drawing. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, observe Dhanalakshmi ma'am drawing. Dhanalakshmi ma'am, observe Veerapandian sir drawing. And Veerapandian sir, observe Gokul's drawing. First task is an observing the drawing. Second task, think about their happiness. Yeah, in the drawing varanjanga. What is that happy moment that they have in their mind? And the think pannunga. When you think of it, feel their happiness. Oh, this is why they draw this happy drawing. Feel that happiness in you. When you feel it, then only you will realize their happiness. Yes, this is why they draw this drawing. So first you think why they drawn this. Second thing, why they drawn this, and this is how you come out with the solution. And second thing, you ask yourself, okay, you feel that happiness. You feel that happiness. Third thing, suggest them one actionable positive item, what you want to tell them to be happy for the day. You need to tell them. Gokul has to tell Yamini, you do this to be happy for the day. That's it. You don't need to talk about a drawing. Okay? Just tell in one sentence. Make it as simple as possible. Shall we start?
Sir, where is Dhanalakshmi madam's drawing?
Next to yours.
That is Thana.
Yeah, Dhanalakshmi ma'am. This is
Yeah,
Dhanalakshmi ma'am. Okay, shall we
Okay.
start? Gokul, can you start with
Yes, sir.
Yamini's drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it reminds that she should be childish even sometime, even though she is grown.
Okay, superb. Yamini, thank you, Gokul. So,
Yes, ma'am.
one positive suggested action item for Gomati ma'am.
She needs to take a break from the corporate thing, and she has to go to a village and enjoy herself.
Superb. That's fantastic.
you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Yamini.
ma'am.
Gomati ma'am,
Yes, sir.
your suggestion, positive action item to Lakshmi Narayanan sir.
சார் நல்ல மழை பெய்யற போது நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க சார். கிரவுண்ட்ல வந்து மழையில நனைஞ்சு
Superb.
ஆனந்தமா கொண்டாடுங்க. நல்லா கைய பிராடா விரிச்சு நல்லா ஆனந்தமா சந்தோஷமா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க சார்.
That's fantastic. Lakshmi Narayanan sir, your positive actionable item to Chandrasekharan sir. Lakshmi Narayanan sir, இருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
yes. Yes. உங்களோட சஜஷன் சந்திரசேகரன் சாருக்கு ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிறதுக்கு.
காலை பொழுதில் அமோகமா பறவைகள்லாம் விளையாடுது தோட்டத்துல பார்க்கல இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Superb, superb. That's fantastic. Thank you, sir. Chandrasekharan sir, your suggestion to Nandakumar sir to be happy for the day. Chandrasekharan sir, நீங்க மியூட்ல இருக்கிறீங்க.
மனிதன் இயற்கையை ரசித்து இயற்கையோட ஒன்றி வாழணுங்கிறத எடுத்து சொல்லிக்கிறார்.
Superb. That's fantastic. Nandakumar sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your suggestion to Vijayalakshmi ma'am to be happy for the day.
Yeah, to be happy, she has to go to some place where she can get a lot of fruits.
Wow. That's awesome. Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Your suggestion to Dhanalakshmi ma'am to be happy for the day.
Okay, sir. Madam, Dhanalakshmi ma'am want to, after completing all works, she want to watch that maybe the TV or nature or
Superb.
garden.
That's fantastic. Thank you, ma'am. Dhanalakshmi ma'am, your suggestion to Veerapandian sir to be happy for today. Dhanalakshmi ma'am, mute lo irkeenga.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. வீரபாண்டியன் சார் வந்து அந்த மலைகள் உள்ள இடத்துல சூரியன் உதிக்கு ஒரு பக்கத்துல அந்த இடத்துல வந்து அழகா நடவோட சொல்லி சொல்றேன்.
Super. That's fantastic. Veerapandian sir, உங்களோட suggestion for Gokul to be happy for today.
Team playing, sir. Team playing, enjoy the day.
Superb, superb. That's fantastic. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You all did a great job. That's fantastic. You did a great thing. So hope you like this exercise. So every time we think of others, we think what others think and what we need to do, how they will be thinking. Don't bother about things. Take always the positivity, the positive things. Yesterday I gave you a challenge. Pick one positive word which represents your attitude and add it to you. So how many of you did it?
Nah, I
Anyone?
found out today. I'll post it in the group.
Superb, superb, awesome, awesome. So let us start with the self-appraisal after doing a great, phenomenal work. So appreciation is one of the beautiful things. When you praise others, when you appreciate others, everyone will be so happy. So appreciation should start from us, within us. Every day when you wake up and every day before going to the bed, sleep. In the bed, this exercise is known as bedtime exercise. You need to praise yourself. Okay, let's take your hand, keep it on your right shoulder, take your right hand, come and say shabash, 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 shabash. Once again, shabash, 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 shabash. Once more, shabash, 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 shabash. This is the appreciation for all your beautiful drawings and all your positive suggestions to others. See, you did a great job related to the drawing, and you did a great job in interpreting others' drawing and suggesting them the happy task of the day. See how beautiful it is. And after they shared us an interpretation and they suggested us a positive task, suggestion, positive action item to be happy. Let us thank them from the bottom of the heart, because attitude should be the part of our attitude. Let us thank everything and everyone in our world which are making us happy. Okay, let's open our hands with an unconditional love. Reverse it and take all the love from the entire world and bring it closer, cross it and connect it. Hold of that love, unconditional love. Fist and down, fist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Think of everything and everyone who made us happy. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now, slowly release your fingers. Start blinking your eyes and look at your screen with a beautiful smile on your face. Now we are going to do a self-hug one of the beautiful and therapeutic approach to love and care, to show the unconditional love on yourself. If you want to love others, you should learn how to love yourself. Slowly inhale, take a long and deep breath, wide open your hands, raise your head up with an unconditional love, with a positivity, and slowly exhale and hug yourself. Where your right hand is on the top, hug tightly with an unconditional love. Feel the warm hug in each and every part of your body. Move your body as you are hugging yourself. And slowly inhale and wide open your hands. Raise your head up and slowly exhale and hug yourself where your left hand is on the top. Hug tightly with the warm hug. Feel that unconditional love in each and every part of yourself. Move your body as you are hugging yourself and feel that unconditional love, care on yourself. And slowly release your hands and start blinking your eyes and look at the screen. You can do this exercise as many times till you get released and relaxed. Now, the happy task of the day. Pick any task, being it eating, sleeping, watching TV, listening to music, cooking, doing your work, drawing, dance, whatever it might be. Do it immediately after this session to be happy. This was instant gratification. Okay? Now it's time for our laughing exercise, alphabet laughing exercise. See, our lovely, smiley, laughing alphabet is here. She's our master, and we are all a nursery kids. Whoever doesn't sing properly, whoever doesn't follow the instructions properly, the smiley will come from your screen and kiss you and hug you like anything, and it will beat you. And it will bring your sellotape also to mark your beats and all, okay, to cure yourself, because we always want to bring the smiles. Not the smiles, laughs. Smile ends with the lips. Laugh. It's like wide opening your mouth and laughing. Ready? Start. With the beautiful facial expressions, facial movements and body movements. Ready? Start. Ha ha. E. Oh, oh. Hey, hey. That's fantastic. That's lovely. Let's sing a laughing song now. So let's sing. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Hi 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 hi. Ho 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 ho. How 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 how. Hum ha 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 hum hum. Hum ha 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 hum hum. Hum ha 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 hum ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.